Pinagpala ko ng problema ngayong araw na to. Hinatid ko si Kyla dito sa driveway. Ito, driveway. Ayun yung problema ko. Hindi ko mai-forward. Hindi pa ako ready maging driver. So, iniwan ko to kaninang 6:30 or 6:40. Kasi hindi ko mapaandar. Kita nyo. Oh. In a live song. Okay. I'm calling my husband. Hubs, you're coming home?
Yeah.
If you come home, I'm going far away to you.
Why?
I'm going somewhere. We need a little bit separate, okay? Okay?
Why? Why? No, not okay.
Just if you're home, I'm not here. I'm going somewhere, okay?
No.
Yes, we need to do this, okay?
No.
I need me time,
No, you don't.
okay? Bye.
Okay.
Bye. And here's my husband from Alabama. And he sold the car. Uh-oh. I know. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Hello, he's coming. Hello. Nagporta ko. Alam mo, kawit sa ubi ko na.
You haven't left yet? Look at that car! You guys buried the fucking car?
Blame to Kyla.
You're the one who wanted the car.
Huh?
Blame to Kyla.
I think the dirt got really wet from the snow. She kept on the engine, or she just stayed there for a long amount of time to the point where she the car got stuck in it. Because she left the engine on.
Yeah.
Hey, sweetheart, do you want me to help you?
No. No, get off.
Ang pinagpalang asawa. I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm waiting for you to be gone by the time I come back.
Ouch! Is that a joke? Is that a joke? Meow, 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 meow. You're so blessed to have a wife like this. Oh shit. Everything okay? Can I stay home?
Oh, good. Good.
But you're bad.